today we're going over this week's new releases, but first I just wanted to mention, if you're not following us on Instagram, I will put a screenshot of it here, but we are going to be having a event on the 26th at noon Eastern. There will be no other items in the shop during this event, and it's going to be our Ultimate Mystery Bundle, which is going to be awesome. It features 4 exclusive art sets. So they're ultimate, they're actually the mystery, so the 10-page version on our glossy sticker paper. It has 4 foil bundles, the 6-page foil bundle. It also comes with a PrintPression planner keeper, as well as a catch-all zipper pouch that matches the planner keeper color and hardware, and the 5-piece sticker protector pack. So tons of stuff in there, and the price will be $19.95 plus shipping, but for the first 48 hours it is going to be $99.95. So for basically $100 you will be getting 4 ultimate kits, 4 foil bundles, and the planner keeper with accessories, which is a wild deal. Whenever you price it all out, it's over $250 worth of product, and I am so excited for y'all to see this. The art is amazing. I tried to do a little bit of something different with every kit, and I worked with 4 different artists, so I'm really excited about it. So again, I'll have all of the information that I put on Instagram. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases, which will go live this Wednesday at noon Eastern. So first things first is I do have 10 new doodles. So let me go ahead and show y'all these. Last week we had 40, so in case you missed it, there are 40 new doodles for last week. So this is the 10 for this week. So there's 291, which is the pastel silhouettes, and then the like the normal color grayscale ones. Then there are some backpacks. These are like pads and tampons, purses, sheet masks, boom boxes, and then there is also little like camcorders in pastel, and then a more like neutral colorway. So those are the 10 doodles for this week. And then let's go into the foil bundle, which I think will look so cute with so many kits, but especially the exclusive new art that's coming out this week. I'll show y'all. I think it's a perfect pairing, but I think it would go so well with so many different kits. So basically this is a gold starry foil. Let me show you in the matte sampler, like how pretty is that? And it is in the star format, so super, super pretty. You do get the 2 pages with the 6 full boxes and the glitter headers, the 2 pages of Bougie boxes, the scripts and icons, along with the bottom washi overlays, the date numbers, the deco, as well as the fancy headers. So that is the foil bundle for this week. And like I showed before, there is also the a la carte matte sampler if you want to add that on as well. Super, super pretty. And again, I think it'll match this next kit perfectly. It's so pretty, and I think it's gonna match a lot of Christmas kits, but I think also, like I said, you could use it with a lot of different spreads. So let's go ahead into the first kit for the week, which is the exclusive brand new art for this year. It's probably my favorite out of all the exclusive sets, and it is based on a movie which is probably in my top 3 favorite Christmas movies, and it is called Santa Claus, and I am just so in love. It is exclusive art by Kitness Jess, and I just think she nailed it. I am just in love with it. I love the colors, and then you have the different characters here. 2 faves up front. You have the flat lays. You have Santa's like little gift sack, the little boxes with the names in there, and just put like all the like people that I love's names in there. I thought that was so cute. Just a cute little touch. The Santa Claus pajamas, some presents, the hat, the little Santa Claus like card. It's just so pretty, and these colors are gorgeous. The extra full boxes in the ultimate kit, you do have the faux gold glitter throughout, and then again, these colors are just everything. I love the blue with Christmas, with your classic Christmas colors, and I am obsessed with the papers in this. I just think they are so cute, especially this one. And the plaid. I mean, all of them, let's be real. And then last but not least, you do have the bottom washi page, which I just love this pattern. Let me show you with the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. I think it'd be really cute on its own as well. And then you do have the extra box here, which has a pair of pajamas, different than the other ones. And then you have the 3 Santa Claus movies with a bowl of popcorn and the like string lights. And I just think it is so stinking cute, and I cannot wait to use it this year. Like I said, Santa Claus is definitely in my my top 3 favorite movies. I actually might be number 2 because I feel like Elf is my favorite Christmas movie. The extra in both the mini and the ultimate kit is an extra color, which is the really pretty gold. And then let me show you the mini kit. All of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini format. So here is the mini. Our more affordable option comes with less sheets. You have the same full box page, the same deco page, the same glitter header page, the mini kit exclusive page, the bottom washi page, and then the freebie, which is the same in the ultimate as the mini, which is the extra gold color. This would also be perfect with the doodles that came out. I think it was not last week, but the week before. We had 4 different colorways of Christmas doodles, so check those out as well. And there is options to add on both the 15mm strip and the label sampler. The next kit here, let's go for this one. This one is a reformat. I do polls on the Facebook group for reformats, and I asked for reformat requests for, I believe, Christmas and Halloween at the same time, and this is one of the top requests for Christmas reformats. I think do I have one more left? I'm not sure. But this one is the Accio Christmas, which is the Harry Potter inspired Christmas set, which was so pretty. This and Yule Ball sold so well last year. Was last year or the year before that? Whatever year they came out, they were just like top sellers. So you have these really pretty like blues with the browns, which I just think is a really fun colorway. And I think you could either go with like gold foil, or if you wanted to pull in some sparkly red, I think that'd be really pretty as well. And yeah, I just think it's really nice. It also, I feel like it could be an after Christmas, like maybe whenever you're taking down decorations, or if you just want to use it to mark something magical. And then the freebie is an extra color, and it does have like a little bit of a variant. So I did like a darker red to a like lighter red kind of in there, and I thought that looked kind of cool. And again, with this one, you do have the faux gold sparkle throughout. I think this would look really pretty with gold, champagne lights, mixed metal, sparkly red. You could do a really pretty blue. I know we have a light blue in the older format that would look nice. That is Accio Christmas. Again, also comes in a mini kit. And last but not, what is the extras here? Hold on. Oh, here's the extras. If you want to add on the extras, there's the 15mm strip. There is also the label sampler there as well. And then last but not least, we do have Cozy Christmas, which is a really pretty like rustic, warm, and cozy Christmas feeling kit. So pretty. And this one just has, like I said, very like rustic, kind of like the burlap and like the, I'm trying to think what the word is. The paper, what's it called? Oh, it's going to drive me nuts. I have a roll of it, like the brown paper that you can wrap presents in with like the twine and pine cones. It's just so cozy with the like warm tan colors. So cute. So here are the full boxes. Then you have your extra full boxes in the ultimate. Really pretty colors. Love this gray with it. I just think it just adds something to make it a little bit more modern. There is also a fashion option, but I totally forgot that at work, but it will be on the listing there as well. The deco page, the bottom washi, and then the extra box here, which is an alternate skin tone for this box here. And then the freebie in both mini and ultimate is a tall box of the Christmas indoor scene, where this is the outdoor scene. So super cute. Like I said, there is fashion options, but I accidentally left those at work, but they will be listed on Wednesday. There is also the 15mm strip and the label sampler there as well. And that is everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. I am so excited to actually plan with like Christmas kits. I did one Halloween spread so far, and I'm so excited. I'm currently working on Bennett's birthday spread, which is turning out so cute with the Dino Party kit that came out. I don't think it was last week, but the week before. Maybe it was last week. The weeks are flying by, but that's everything. Again, we do have the 3 kits. These 2 are exclusive art, and this is new exclusive art. We do have the gold star bundle, and then the 10 new doodles. And then I will have a new flash sale this week. Last week's was 50% off of Bougie box extenders, but I think I'm going to do like a little bit of a bigger flash sale section this week. And then also don't forget that we will have the ultimate mystery bundle, which is just so good. I'm looking at it right now. It's sitting right in front of me, and I have been working on this for so long, and I'm just so proud of the whole bundle. I wanted to do an advent this year, but I just feel like it's so hard to like kind of spread things out on 12 days. I just wanted to do like a bulk awesomeness. So I'm really excited about it. Again, if you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments down below. You can email me, you can comment on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But I will talk to y'all in my next video.